everyone is doing pretty cool. You know where you are? This is Peculiar Hair and Styles. If you are new here, I welcome you to Peculiar Hair and Styles. Consider joining the family by subscribing. Put your bell notification to all so you don't get to miss any of our uploads. Yes. So in today's video, you are watching top hottest braided hairstyles. Okay? So stay tuned while I dish out all these beautiful, unique hairstyles that you can make choice for your next hair salon appointment. Okay? As you can see, some of these hairstyles are with unique pattern. Yeah, they have unique pattern. Okay? So keep watching. So some of these styles can also achieve with or without hair extension. You can also carry this style 4 weeks or more, okay? So sit back and watch till the end, okay?
Be great, yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great,
I hope you enjoy watching. If you do, before you leave, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe for more if you haven't done so. Okay? I'm going to see you guys on my next one. Till then, stay out of trouble. Keep taking care of yourself. I love you. Bye. Mwah.
It is boring. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. 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 Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything